This is what he's purchasing for me. He's purchasing napkin. Why? Why, by the way?
Go.
Yeah, wait. I'm searching for that. Tara, let's go. Hoy. What you want? Huh? You need that for your underarm.
Why will no one lose my underarm? No, no, no.
Oh, but you tried this.
Because I was in the AC the whole time, na.
You put that napkin there. Since I will take with you. This guy's purchasing napkin. I don't know why.
Not me. Not me.
See. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm just taking with you. I feel dizzy. I will just lie. I will just lie in bed. Maybe I will feel good. Guys, this is
No more chorizo for you. No more.
No
anything
more.
for you.
No more.
No, it's not.
I will just eat veg. This morning, my food for breakfast was mung beans and fish.
Fish. No, fish is okay. Fish will not have any effect on you. Problem with the meat stuff.
I feel so dizzy. The one which I'm using, it's not here. This will be my first time using it. I was looking for the one which I used last February. No. Hello?
You know, I don't like shopping. When my mom does shopping, I'm like, oh, when I have to go home.
You're not wearing socks?
No, I'm becoming.
Before I always said you were not to wear socks, but you were very stubborn. Now? It's okay for you to wear socks. No, not to wear socks. Use socks. I don't know how much that. I will just put this on my YouTube or your YouTube, I don't know. You will use this.
720 pixels.
Huh?
Only.
I don't know.
I will fix it right now.
Yes. See what this guy is purchasing. You're shy. The last one. Poster. He doesn't even want to.
180.
He does.
18.
He doesn't even want to hold it. You're the song babu. It's very nice. Solo.
Is it ours?
Wait for the receipt.
Pera.